Hello and welcome to a new video from Digidesignresort. My name is Monia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to draw this things to check out spread. You can use it for 1 month or you can use it for an entire year. That's totally up to you, and always come back to this page. That depends how many books you read and how many movies you want to watch, and if you have filled it out you can go on and just find a new spread and create a new spread for yourself. So here's what you need. So first of all, of course, your bullet journal. I use here the scribbles that matter. What you use is of course totally up to you. Then I have a white Sharpie, a very small one, and black washi tape. And then you need a set square and some pencil, a rubber, and of course the Tombow dual brush pen. And nothing without my micron fine liner. This is also what you need. So when you have everything together, so let's get started. So when I open my book, you will see that I already have I have sheeted a little bit. I have drawn a few points here with the pencil in my bullet journal and also the center of the page, just because I want to make sure that I can quickly start drawing. You should do the same. You should first count the little squares so you know where you need to start drawing. Otherwise it might get a little bit complicated when you start drawing and then you don't know where to set the next one. And then I use the light gray Tombow dual brush pen with a fine side here, and draw around the boxes. So I just first draw around and then I add some shadow, but I'm going to show you that just in a few seconds. So now I use the bold side of the pencil here, this calligraphy side, and this is what helps me to draw here over the edges. And when I go over it again and again, you see it gets a little bit darker, so you can control how dark you want to have your shadow. I don't make it too dark because I want the middle of the side really stand out, and that is why I have drawn it already, so I can set the boxes around and don't have to put it on top of the whole thing. So that's why I have already done that, and you will see in a second why this is the best solution for it, because I'm working with some washi tape and the white Sharpie. So first of all, I use the black Tombow again, and I go over things because I want these things to really stand out, and I want to have it in 2 colors. So the top needs to be in the light gray and the bottom in white. So when I now put washi tape over it, I have to draw the rest of the word myself with the white Sharpie once again, and it gets a white bottom and a black top. So this is how you make it in 2 colors without getting into much detail and have to draw too much and have to worry about too much. So and then I'm using the light gray and fill out the word completely. And now I'm using the white Sharpie because I cannot write with the Tombow or any other pen here on the washi tape, so I have to use this white Sharpie to do that. And now I put on the bottom of the boxes, and here on the top ones on top of the boxes, always a light gray shade. And then I write in the words I want to track. So here it's books, and then of course movies and food I want to check out. And then bottom left are the shows, which I mean some series on Netflix. And once I have done that, I want to doodle a little bit. Yeah, why? Because now it looks okay, but it can look better if I add a little bit of drawing. You can also add some sticker here if you want to, but I prefer to draw it myself, just something quick. It doesn't have to be 100%, something really great. You don't have to be a huge artist. Just try it, and if you don't know how, please go over to our store, and there you find a free sheet where you can learn how to draw a book, for example. But we have several other sheets, so you can really learn how to doodle in depth. Yeah, and once this is done, we are done with our sheet. We are nearly done, so let's keep moving. So that's it from me for today. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so you're notified whenever I post a new video, and then maybe leave me a comment or show me what you have come up with. I would love to see your spread. And then I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, bye!